Hi, dear friends. Today, I'm going to talk about insomnia. And I hear that a lot of people are facing issues right now that, it's pandemic times and I'm not able to sleep. And the quality of sleep is not good. I wake up in the morning very grumpy and all of that. So, I just want to share quickly in this video a very brief step about how you can actually enhance the quality of your life. Please take note so that you can refer to these notes and start following it religiously. Number one is cut off all the devices, TV, mobile phones, and all the digital devices that you are surrounded by. And, all these cause a lot of conflict with your brain signals. So there is a direct conflict of the electromagnetic field, and which causes disturbance, and therefore it takes a lot of time for your body and your brain to actually calm down for a better quality sleep. So what we can essentially do is curtail your digital time at least half an hour to 45 minutes, and if you can do it very well, 1 hour, 2 hours, depending on how much you can actually make up. Use that quality time to spend with your family members, elders, children, your spouse, talk, discuss things, and create the next day routines, and talk about the things, some storytelling, what happened through the day, sharing and caring, and medication and all of that, whichever things you need to attend to more with consciousness. So you can utilize that time in that space so that all of you become very, very healthy. And in turn, your quality of sleep for everybody in the house, in the family, actually gets enhanced. Full tip. Second thing, what you would like to do is just keep a lamp of an organic oil with a cotton wick in your room and light it up when you are about to sleep. Ensure that the oil is not much, because once you sleep off, we don't want any fire accidents or stuff like that. So basically, in your own room, wherever you find it safe, put it nearby, as it will help your body to cool down. With the fire energy, all the negativity around you will actually subside, in your own body will subside. And you could also adopt one more practice, is bathe with lukewarm water at least 10-15 minutes before you want to go to sleep. And you will see that you feel really cool and nice, and all your body impurities have got washed away, and you feel very clean inside out. And that is something which you want to do before you sleep, because then what happens is all the mental emotional charges which have been stored in your body around, and whatever you've touched during the day on the hygienic part as well, and a lot of other things get taken care of. Okay, so it's a very good practice if you can do this before sleep. One more practice is don't eat too late in the night. Try and finish your dinner at least 3 hours before your sleep time, and which means that allow your body to digest food 3 hours before you actually plan to sleep. This will allow you to have a good quality of sleep and allow your body to digest food before you sleep off, because once you sleep off, the repair work starts in the body. And once the repair work starts in the body, the flow for digestion actually gets minimalized. Therefore, the food tends to rot, and we don't want that. If you want your energy levels to be high, you need to take care of this factor. Okay. And life is all about energy, my dear friends. The better that you sleep, the better that you eat, the more organic you can be. The little that you eat, actually, you will actually end up having more energy. Also, on the quality of sleep, I would request those of you dealing with any kind of emotional mental trauma at this point in time, or have succumbed to certain diseases in the recent past, do ensure that you do practice Om. Chant Om like this, 3 syllables, and do it at least 21 times before you sleep. This will help your brain to calm down, and you'll feel like, there's all the turbulence that is there in your mind. It's getting relaxed, calm, and all the impurities are getting sorted out in your brain. Impurities here mean negative energy, whatever you've been dealing with in the entire day gets stuck up in the form of some energy particle somewhere in the body and mind. And that is getting cleaned by this new sound that we're causing, the chanting of Om. And that, like, kind of dissipates like that. And there's a clean space. And you can do one more important practice, and this is a practice which will allow you to live a healthy life on a mental, emotional, and spiritual plane, is do mental housekeeping. And what do I mean by that? Run your entire day from the time you get up to the time you're sleeping. All the people, all the situations, all those surroundings that you have been part of, and just pick up, whosoever you want to forgive and whosoever you want to seek forgiveness from. Create a mental closure with them, with those people, with those situations, with that person, place, anything it could be. So suppose you took hatred to something during the day, you took anger on something, you took sadness on someone, you took blame on someone, whatever. There could be multiple things. So whatever emotional charge you emitted out, bring a closure to it, as if you're seeing a movie, and just bring a closure. Stop at that movie, close that scene to a happy ending. Say thank you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, and I thank you. I'm sorry for whatever I have done, knowingly or unknowingly, and which has caused you the experience that it has caused you. Please forgive me for it. And if you felt bad for something, and I caused you some pain or anxiety, I'm sorry for that. And if you did it to me, I'm forgiving you. Closure. Then say, I thank you. I thank you for the experience that you have given me and enriched me, given me lessons. And I love you for who we are. We are one, and that is why I thank you and I love you. Okay, simple, 4 steps. So these are certain tools, my dear friends, that would allow your mental, emotional, spiritual space to be light and bright and give you a good night's sleep. And when you get up in the morning, just ensure you get up on your right side. This will allow the blood flow in a certain way and make you more energized, and you will feel more pumped up. Rub your hands together when you get up in the morning. Look at your hands and just, press your hands on your eyes and thank God for everything. Start your day with gratitude and all of that. There are a lot of practices that we can talk about much later, not in this video for now. So I hope this video helps you to cover your good night sleep routine, and you actually start having a brighter day next day because of the quality enhancement in your sleep. Thank you so much. Do share this video across to your friends in case they need it, and a lot of people right now need it. Please be kind and share it to them and help them out. Thank you so much.